Hi guys, today we are going to do some mail time with my mom and we're on webcam today. Let's log out real quick. Yes. Are you excited?
Very.
I'm excited. Okay, let's type in your username.
You can see my password.
No, it's hidden, you see? Look, watch. If I type it in, see?
Okay.
You can't see it.
Is that me?
No. You're not logged in yet.
I was going to say, I changed.
Yeah. You haven't changed.
There I am.
Okay, let's go on gifts. Can't click on it.
Because some very nice people have given me some gifts, haven't they?
I think I gave you some. Oh my goodness, it's not
Because you're going
working.
to click on the left-hand side.
Oh. Gifts. Look, and this girl here.
Oh, that was nice. So what have I got?
So, do you want to, you click where. Okay, and then you click on another one.
I say, very small pair of pants.
You have no pants.
Okay, I'll put some trainers shoes on. Why not?
Here,
And
by the way.
what's in here? Oh, a pair of classic up highs. Go on, why not? That's our dog Monty scratching away. Ooh, new hair. Okay.
You press
Oh,
where?
I'll go and find that in a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, what's in here? Ooh, new lashes.
Yeah, a girl, actually guys, a girl sent me that, but I didn't tell her who to send it to for the mail time, so then I opened it and sent it to you, because that's from a different girl.
And this is from XX Mystic Rains. Ooh, thank you very much. I'm going to pop those on. They look lovely. Oh, check me out.
Do you want to press the next page? There's another page.
Of more presents.
Where's the guy? There are some. Look. Okay, let's go back on your gifts. See?
Oh, wow.
Then I click it.
She sent me lots of prezzies. Thank you.
She sent you 6.
That's kind of her. Okay, I think I'll keep those shoes on for now.
Yeah, because that high heel was...
Yeah. I might keep... What do you reckon?
I think you should wear the skirt.
Okay, wear the skirt. Actually, that's much better than the trousers.
Yeah, it looks nice.
The gowns on the red carpet were amazing. We haven't seen the Oscars, have we?
Nope. There we go. Ooh, it's a mermaid.
It's a mermaid.
Wear it. It looks nice. Ooh.
Oh, check me out.
Switched.
Very switch. I like the hair she gave me. That was really nice.
Who, me?
Someone gave me nice hair.
When?
Big blonde hair.
That was me.
Was it you?
Yeah.
Where is
So
it?
these are all the... Right, next page. Work.
Oh, there it is. Let's have
Click on
that
it.
hair on, please, I think.
Right, what you got to do, you've got to click on your character
Mm-hmm.
and my stuff. And then you got... Ugh, oh my goodness.
Clicking on the right-hand side.
There we go. And then what you got to do now, go on hair. Do you want to sort out your character?
Go on, put on, I say.
Oh, let's take off the crown. Oops, that took off. No, I can't get it to work.
Oh, the crown's fine. I'm comfortable with the crown.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, do you want to change it to like a skirt?
Yeah, that's nice.
And the top to like that. Or
Quite happy. That'll do.
let's make... Oh,
I prefer the white ones.
do you? I like them.
Oh. Whose character is this?
Do you like the socks?
Go on, why not?
Yeah, that looks nice
It
together.
does, it's sweet.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to be trading with this girl as well. Shall we do that now?
Ooh. What, the girl who... Oh, the nice girl just a moment ago.
Yeah, but she scammed me, so then she's going to send it back.
Ah, ooh,
So, because
right.
she was kind enough to do that. Let's go on my account.
So remind those who haven't seen that one what happened.
Well, I gave her an ultra rare because she said, "Oh, I'll give you Miss Gold," and then she scammed me. So, but she's kind enough to stop and give me back my hair.
There you go. Put your face in the middle a bit. Oh no, this way.
You're like pushing it out.
Oh dear. So, what do we think? Do we think she's going to come up with the?
Because she said you have to record with it, and it was an ultra rare party glitter. Party glitter.
Monty.
Guys, go add me on my meme, Lillian Bloom. It's on the UK. Let me just do my password. Okay, there we go. This is exciting. I want to see if she actually does it. Well, that brightened up. Okay, so what happened here? I had a shirt on.
So your clothes fell off.
That can't happen, Mama. Why would you think that? Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna send you the hair back when you're wrecked, okay? Okay, so this is the girl, guys. She's nice now. Look, she's unblocked me, which I'm happy about. I'm gonna text her that I'm ready. So yeah, guys. All right. Let's take this into a little bubble here. I'm ready and recording. So yeah, she's gonna prove that she doesn't scam anymore.
Which is great.
Yeah. So then that means she feels bad for what she did. I'll just say to her something. Sending it. Okay, let me just find it. Okay. Okay, I just really quick. I want to see if I have any. Yeah, she's online.
So what's your favourite part of MSP?
Well, I do like it. You can I like that you can interact with people. I like that you can send gifts and be nice, you know? So this is one of my friends as well, one of my best friends.
Ruby.
Hmm?
Her name's Ruby.
For a minute, I just thought you said that randomly. Ruby. Guys, let's go and add her.
Diana Frost. Truly tragic.
Oh, look, she sent it back, guys.
Yay.
Alright, shout out to her.
Lovely. Is that the one who sent me a gift as well?
Yay! And she said sorry.
Oh, lovely. Thank you to Mystic Reigns.
Thank you. You got a shout out. Oops. Oopsie daisies. You got a shout out. High five. High five. There we go. High five.
So she gave you what you wanted.
Yeah, because
amazing.
She stole it, but now I got it. Let's change that really quick. Let's quickly move this because she's probably going to say something in a minute.
What's your least favourite part of MSP?
That MSP, when they scan, they don't really do anything about it.
The company don't?
No, I'm going to say what was that for? What was that for?
What is it?
A devil face. Why is she angry? I didn't do anything. Guys, I don't know why she did that. It's weird. I suppose some unicorn shoes. She's rising. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. You know, like nothing bad is happening. I'm just confused. Let's move her. Because I want to see the rest of my clothes. Can you tell people to... What? That means... Coming for you next.
She's coming
I'm
for
like,
you.
Can you tell people to check my mail time out when I make one? So she's making a mail time, so go check it out.
And tell everyone who she is. Mystic Brains. Ooh, so who's Lizzie 51015?
Obviously a scammer, or
That means I'm coming for you next. Ooh.
what did I do to you? And I'm gonna do sad face. Can you tell me? Yeah. So yeah, guys, go check out that.
Yeah.
That means yeah. Yeah. I love you. Hacking. I'm coming for all of you.
Ooh.
Oh my god, I'm getting scared. I want to see how this turns out. I really want to see how it turns out.
NP?
That means no problem. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, so we're gonna finish in about 4 minutes. Ooh, I'm really scared. Like, oh, they say hi back. Let's just say. They say hi back. Shout out to her. I don't know where that one came up. I'm really scared. Why did she send that?
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh! What?
Oh, leave her alone. Go
No,
find someone
I
else
want
to
to
talk
like.
to.
Let's see how this goes. Nothing yet. I'm gonna tell her that you're on YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Busted. I'm gonna say busted. Busted. My YouTubers. No, she's not gonna speak. Yeah, she's scared. Ruby G plays MSP. Wow. Next time, tomorrow I'm gonna be doing a recording with one of my best friends, Roxanne. So she's gonna be making a YouTube channel, so subscribe to her. I'll tell you guys the channel as soon as I found out because she's making one, but she has not yet made one. So yeah, check my mail time when I make one. LOL. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna say, do you promise not to scam anyone anymore? So yeah, I just want to like give her a shout out, guys, for owning up and being like a proper person and doing that because that is very brave.
Definitely.
Very yes. I just want to say shout out to her.
Yeah, big shout out.
Because that is one of the bravest things to do. Promise, I'm only gonna use trade system now. Good work. XX. Okay. After I stop recording, I'll trade again. X. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the trade. And you dare I care. You should. Okay, guys, there's going to be a part 2 of this. Dun, dun, dun. I suggest you do not add her. Like, do not add her. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to... it's okay. I'm just going to say, we got to go now. So, yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Yay.